In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create a survey using Surveymonkey. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to Google. Google is our starting point for almost everything, isn't it? So once you're there, in the search bar, you'll want to type in Surveymonkey and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but you'll want to look for the one titled Surveymonkey, the world's most popular survey platform. Give that a click to head directly to their official site. Once you've made it to the Surveymonkey homepage, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Clicking it will take you to the login page. Here, enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, this is your cue to create one, as you'll need to be logged in to make full use of the platform. After logging in, you'll be back to the homepage, where you'll find the Create Survey button. Give it a click. Now, you're faced with a choice. Surveymonkey offers you the flexibility to either start from scratch or to use one of their pre-made templates. Starting from scratch offers complete customization, whereas templates can save you a lot of time by providing a framework tailored to specific types like customer feedback. Assuming you want to streamline your process, let's go ahead and choose a template. Click on Pick a Popular Template, and from the options that appear, select Customer Satisfaction Template. Once decided, click Use this template to serve as your starting point. Next, you'll enter the Surveymonkey design interface. This is where the magic happens. At the top, you'll see a Build tab. Click on it to start customizing your survey questions and format. On the Build page, click on View More to see additional customization options. You'll likely want to ensure your survey collects email addresses, so locate the option for email address and click it. From here, choose Email to configure how you'd like email addresses to be inputted. In the Options section, click to ensure that participants are required to answer each question. Another nifty feature is the Verify Email Address format. Check this box to prevent users from entering invalid email addresses. The system will notify them if their input doesn't meet the right format. Finally, it's always a good idea to see your survey in action before distributing it. At the top of your screen, find and click Preview Survey. This will allow you to go through the survey as if you were one of your participants, ensuring everything looks and functions just how you need it to. And there you have it. Your survey is all set up and ready to go, whether you're gathering feedback from customers or collecting valuable insights for your business. Remember, Surveymonkey is a powerful tool, so feel free to explore additional features that might enhance your survey experience even further. Happy surveying!